All right, wonderful people, welcome back to this wonderful channel where we bring you back-to-back update and information as it is hot. In case it's your first time of joining us on this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to our channel. It don't shell, it don't happen again. This one, Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic government in exile, don't send message to Igwe Akajior of Aguleri. In a trending video and online pictures that have been trending, Igwe Akajior for Aguleri and barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor and Ifeanyi of Anambra State was seen in Abuja. According to what is written on that picture, they went to Abuja to see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, even though Nnamdi Kanu was not seen in the picture. But barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor, barrister Ifeanyi and the Igwe Akajior of Aguleri, they were all seen in that video and the picture, and where they went to visit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. As it stands now, Ekpa himself has sent them a warning message. Especially, he was actually referring to waiting they call him the one where they say they call Igwe Akajior of Aguleri. In don't tell and say make him remove chimpanzee hand from the soup before he go turn to person hand. Ekpa don't holler say the plot where we say these people the plot say that plot so it be like say they no go fit come out from inside though. Say the people say the elders where we say they get these days, but they cry. Say elders where we say they get these days, in no know the kind of elders where we say Igbo get these days. Say na elders where we say they go for back, go they collect small bribe, con they betray their own people. Now waiting the man talk, now waiting the man Simon Ekpa they lament about. Say Igwe Akajior don't follow. Go they collect small money, go they collect small money from these people, the politicians, they mingle with politicians. Say in the talk say, but the talk say she be Igwe Akajior no say politicians no mean well for Igbo. Say even now, say kingship and Igwe and Ezeship no be like as he did before. We be say if somebody be Igwe, you go no say if you want get the truth out of every matter, you fit go to that man, and when you and that man discuss from there, that man will be able to give you the whole truth of the matter you are looking for. But as he did these days now, waiting the sub we say Igwe na by election. If they do election, come carry you put there. If you serve to get Igwe now, they even the rig am now. Igwe for an Igbo now don't turn to waiting man. No. He no day like that for Yoruba people place. He no day like that. See Oba of Benin, see Oba of Lagos, see Oba of here, see for Hausa people, Sanusi and the rest of them. These people, even though that a white man brought his tradition, election and the rest of, but these people still maintain their tradition. Igbo, what is even happening to Igbo self? You know, if you start checking the thing that is happening in Igbo land, sometimes it calls for shedding tears. These people have killed the Igbo tradition with politics just because of little petty money that they are getting, and they have decided to just, destroy Igbo tradition. Oba of Benin is still respected to today. Look at during the election, Oba of Lagos have the right to say that it's not yet time for Ambode to become the governor of Lagos State. And it did not happen. Ambode did not become the governor of Lagos State. Because these Obas in Yoruba land and in Hausa land, this kind of their essence is that these people don't care who you are. They are not there for bribe. They believe in who they are. They know that they are kings. They are in the Eze. It is not the Eze that is supposed to be going to politicians and be asking money from him. It is politicians that will come to Eze and bow. si eze birikwa o. Eze wenye no nzapia anya nza na azụ no. Nọkwọnụ ka esi emi ya. Nọkwọnụ ka ana Igbo si wee dịle. Wee bụ na maka ifi ntọnta ego ndị Igbo wee dala omenala Igbo. Wee mebisie ndị Igbo dala Igbo tradition. Destroyed Igbo tradition totally. It does not. This thing, okay, look at Yoruba people. If the emir of Kanu call a meeting, who is even see how Tinubu won president. Oba of Lagos did not go to him. The Oba of Lagos did not go to Tinubu to greet him. It was Tinubu himself that carried himself and went and bowed before Oba of Lagos and greeted the Oba of Lagos. He went to Ijabu, the Oba of Ijabode. The Oba of Ijabode did not even go to meet Tinubu. Tinubu was the one who went to Ijabode and met with Oba of Ijabode, bowed down to him, thank him for supporting him. But look at Igbo people. If somebody become governor like this, ndị eze jarachasị bịa ike. Ndị eze je na-arachasị governor ike. Look at what is happening in Imo State now. Anywhere you go, you see these people, these autonomous, 100 people will come out and say they want their own autonomous community. If you go this village, if you go in one village in Imo State, they will be having like 20 or 30 autonomous community. Unlike before. Unlike before, such things does not happen before in Igbo land. But now, everything has scattered because of greed. Because of greed for power in the Igbo nwere. Because of betrayal wey dey for Igbo people life. Because of backbiting. Because of bribe. That's what is happening in Igbo. They have lambasted the tradition. They have destroyed the tradition. The tradition does not have any value again. Go to Rivers State, the same thing. Look at Wike the other time was abusing Ndieze in Rivers State. Call on Ndieze and was abusing them. You look at the other man and say, look at this small boy. You want us to respect you as Eze because you are putting a big cap. Governor is talking to an Eze like that. It does not happen like this in Yoruba land. Nobody in Benin can go to Benin and go and talk nonsense before Oba of Benin. It cannot happen. Nobody will go to Lagos and talk nonsense before Oba of Lagos. Nobody will go to Kanu and talk nonsense before the Emir of Kanu. They will make you straight and they make you hana de memeno. Inwa anya anwa na ana Yoruba. Ndi Yoruba eme yi hana de meme. In Yoruba land is not the Oba that goes to the governor. It is the governor that goes to the Oba's palace. It's the governor that goes to the palace of the Oba and greet Oba, pay homage. See the video, them big boys. The video they go visit Oba. Whiskey they go visit Oba, bow down before him. And if they are going, they don't go empty-handed. They go with gifts. But yawro na ani Igbo my people, ndi Igbo ogene den no. Ogene di ka na eme di fan ani Igbo. Kedu ife ndi Igbo na emedu na eme ife nwa. Eh? Kedu ife ndị Igbo na emedu na eme. Ndị Igbo owebu na Igbo tradition, you know, somehow has disappeared. That Eze now is more or so a political thing. Eze now na Igbo is no more hereditary. It is if you have money, they will now make you the Eze. They don't even want to know whether you stole the money or whether you did armed robbery to get the money. All they know is that you have money. You are now the king. It's very wrong, my people. It's very wrong. What is happening in Igbo land is actually very wrong. That Indians now are mingling with politicians. Yes. It is the politician that is supposed to respect Eze and not Eze respecting the politicians. No, I don't mean it does not happen. It does not happen at all. Meanwhile, I'll be winding down the curtain here asị ka ewelu na-efife chubewe ojii maka chi eje. Mana ọ bụ na if na your first time wey be say you dey join us for this wonderful channel, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel, like, comment, share, and also remember to on the notification button so that whenever our news drop, you'll be the first to collect it. Thank you for listening and God bless you.